Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you're in, I hope you're having a good day. So I just bought this Belkin power bank portable charger from Walgreens. Yep, Walgreens. I was looking for a Walmart, but Walgreens is fine too. Probably be about the same price, and then it's more convenient so you don't have to go inside. So it comes with a little cord for a C-type charger. And here are the ports. The C-type is in the middle and the other two are USB. I'm just plugging that in. This is what it looks like. And let's see. My phone is going dead. You can see. So let's see if it works. Uh-oh. I need to unplug the C-type. Put that in my phone. And then plug in the USB. Uh-oh. Let's turn it around. See if we get some juice here. It says this thing was fully charged. I don't know. Maybe it's just not charged. You know what? That may have been the other box because I picked up another one before. Infinitive. Let's see. So what we're going to do is figure out whether or not it needs to be charged. So we'll give it a chance. But as for right now, it's not giving me any juice. So we'll see whether or not we need to return that one. All right, that was it. And I bought this too. Love y'all. Later.